What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catamize coming at you. New pickup. It's finally out. It's finally here. Got the new arcade 1-up Mortal Kombat. Man, these are very limited right now. If any store, it's a Walmart exclusive. Any Walmart that's getting them, they're only getting 2 or 3 of them. And it took me forever. I drove 2 hours to get this one. And it comes with Mortal Kombat, Mortal Kombat 2, and Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. I'm just showing you the box right now. This before I open it up. It comes with a gold seal on there before I open it up and put it together. Now, online, Walmart.com, it shows out of stock everywhere. I even drove to another city, which was a couple hours also. They said they had it in stock. They had limited quantities. I drove there, and then it turned out they didn't have any. So if it says limited quality, then that pretty much means they don't have any. But then I got lucky, checked one morning, and it finally let me add to cart and pay for it to pick it up. And it was delayed for 2 days, and then it finally went through. So the new Mortal Kombat Arcade 1-up, that's the box. I'm about to go ahead and stop the video and put it together, and then let y'all see how it worked. So I'll be back once it's completely put together. Back fully assembled Midway Mortal Kombat Arcade 1-up. Of course, it has rating on the side, control panel, player 2, player 1, Mortal Kombat 2, Mortal Kombat 2, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3, and I added a volume button on there, something simple. I'm not gonna mod this one like I said before. I'm gonna add some stickers on here. That's about it, but go ahead and get into it. Turn it on off, volume, loading. Again, it's the Mortal Kombat 2 Arcade 1-up that just released, the hard to get 2019. Okay, Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3. So we'll start with 1. It says press A to select. Press A. 1 player to continue. So the volume, normally it has low, it has off, low, and high. So I put it on high. Press start because I put a volume switch on here. So press start. So you see it's loud. Turn it down. It's up. Turn it down a little bit. Okay. Raiden. Again, I can't play because I'm recording, but let's see if I can.
Scorpion.
Prop it a little bit so you see. Prop it up. Nope, can't do it. But anyway. But yeah, that's the Mortal Kombat. I think you hold that for 5 seconds and the exit. Yeah, 5 seconds and the exit out. Go to the next one. Hold player 2 for 5 seconds and reset the game. Mortal Kombat 3 is loading. You see, no tricks, no plays, just tell you. Turn it down a little bit. Press start. Just show you work. There you go. Again, Mortal Kombat Arcade 1 up. First look, quick look, install with a volume control button on there. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.